rundown of what this engine is. This is something that a customer brought me. It is a 6-liter stock head, stock truck intake and throttle body. This will be getting a turbo. This has a Richard Holdener low buck truck cam in it. We threw on these crappy headers that I have laying around just for this dyno test. As you can see, they used to be wrapped in header wrap. I hate that stuff. I'm itching just looking at them. But yeah, we just did some tuning on this real quick, just get baseline tune. It is running a Holley Terminator X system on it for controls. I believe they put a set of aftermarket rods in it, not sure which ones. And then the rings were gapped for boost. Not sure what turbo they're going to put on this. Again, I was just brought the motor so we could get a baseline tune, make sure it was somewhat happy. So that's what we went through and worked on here the last day or two. So watch to the end of the video. There's video of the dyno run, and at the end there are peak numbers shown. So there's a dyno graph and peak numbers shown at the end of this video. So take a look, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.